Hey everybody, welcome back. Tonight I am working on my garage. I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately because I have my garage completely torn apart. I have stuff absolutely everywhere. I've been pulling things off the walls and the shelves and insulating everything. I'm going to try to make a rack for all these wheels that allow me to pull them down easily and quickly without having to move all of them at once. My plan is to use this dowel and kind of do a coat rack thing with 2x4s and a bunch of these spaced evenly apart. Last night when I was working in the garage, I actually toasted this Milwaukee impact driver. It was maybe 8 or 9 years old, so I got a new fuel surge one, so we're gonna use that tonight and see how it goes. Yeah, all right. 8 feet. All right, now I gotta figure out this spacing. I want this one as close to the wall as I can get. And then this one as close as I can get. And if you notice, I'm using rims with tires on them because that's worst case scenario. I'm assuming the spacing is the exact same as center to center, 22 inches. And this is 11. I always liked counting by 11s when I was a kid. Probably dumb, whatever. This is an old one I used. That's about 8 inches. I like this size. I think I'm gonna do 10 inches. Alright, I've already got 2 dowels, so I just need to cut this one up. I need 5 more. It's about 50 inches, so I'm just gonna do every 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't find my saw because my garage is a horrible mess. This is cutting really easy because apparently I went with the balsa wood. Now we just need to drill some holes in a 2x4. That's got a lot of run out on it, so this will be fun. Make perfect 45-degree cuts. And test fit these. Look at that, perfect. Again, I would do this in a much cleaner fashion normally, but my garage is an absolute mess. I want to put these in and I want to put a screw to kind of secure these. Alright, so I'm going to do that for the rest of them. Jeez. This new drill's a little fast. Not quite used to it yet. Done. Want to see a great way to clean all this up? Leaf blower. It's all clean now. Alright, time to hang up this hat rack. Alright. There we go. My nice coat rack is all ready for wheels. Look at that. Alright, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 wheels. I still got all those wheels. Alright, I got 10 rims up there. I've got 7 left over here. And then I've got my special rims over there. I think what I'm going to have to do is extend this or make these dowels even longer. I don't know if I want them longer, but we will see. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to store your extra wheels. If not, I'm sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe.